Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix unable to invite or add friends in the finals. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So first, what you can do is to reboot both clients. So first of all, as suggested by the developers, try rebooting both clients. And you can ask your friend to reboot the game, and you also do the same thing and check if the issue is resolved. And then next, what you can do is to turn on the crossplay. So the next best method we suggest to fix is to just turn on the crossplay. So this feature allows players on different gaming platforms to play together in the same game. So the simple and quick trick worked for many players, so it might work for you too. So you can just go ahead and try it. And if it doesn't work, worry not, because we have some other workarounds to resolve the issue. So next is to check the current server status of the finals. So in case the game's servers are experiencing any kinds or any issues or outages, you won't be able to invite or add friends to the game. So just make sure that the servers are up and running fine. So to get updates, you can check onto the official Twitter page or their official website. So just in case the servers are down, just wait until they fix it. Then lastly, what you can do is to check your internet connection. So a stable and reliable internet connection is crucial to play the finals or any other online games without any issues. So ensure that your internet connection is strong and not experiencing any issues. And to fix any connectivity related issues, you can try resetting your router or modem or switching the connection from Wi-Fi to wired for a more stable and reliable connection. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.